Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best AC vent cleaner is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools for maintaining a healthy and comfortable home environment, especially as we spend more time indoors. This powerful yet easy-to-use solution is designed to tackle the dust, allergens, and grime that accumulate deep within your air conditioning vents, ensuring that the air you breathe is as clean and fresh as possible, making it an essential addition to your home maintenance arsenal for a healthier living space. Number 5. Reusable Microfiber Ceiling Fan Duster with Extension Pole. Tired of dusty ceiling fans? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep them clean. This tool makes dusting effortless and efficient. Crafted from soft, dense polyester, it powerfully attracts and removes dirt. Cleaning is simple, and maintenance is a breeze. With an extendable pole from 13 to 49.7 inches, you can now clean high ceilings without needing chairs or ladders. Reach every corner safely and easily. Its unique slanted design cleans both sides of the blade simultaneously. No dust or dirt will be left behind, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Featuring a convenient hanging hole for easy storage and drying. The detachable head makes it perfect for travel, ensuring cleanliness wherever you go. This versatile tool isn't just for fans. Use it to clean appliances, cars, blinds, bookshelves, and even those hard-to-reach corners. It tackles dust and cobwebs with ease. What we like? This cleaner offers a reusable microfiber head for efficient dirt removal. Its extendable pole reaches up to 49.7 inches, eliminating the need for chairs or ladders. If you're looking for a versatile tool to clean not just ceiling fans but also walls, bookshelves, and furniture, this is a great choice for tackling hard-to-reach areas. What people say. The spray nozzle is adjustable and can be directed into the vents for thorough cleaning. It effectively removes dust and debris from air vents, improving air quality. The long extension tube allows access to hard-to-reach areas within the vents. Number 4. InterDynamics AC Pro Vent and Duct Cleaner. Tired of unpleasant odors in your vehicle? This professional strength formula is designed to tackle tough smells at their source. Easily eliminate odors yourself with this specially formulated cleaner. It's perfect for your car's HVAC system. Say goodbye to smells caused by mold, mildew, stale air, and smoke. This product neutralizes them effectively. It not only eliminates odors but also cleans light dirt from your ductwork and dust from vent surfaces. This cleaner treats your vents, ductwork, evaporator core, and even the drain pan area for a complete refresh. What we like? This product provides professional strength odor elimination specifically for automotive HVAC systems. It's formulated to tackle tough smells from mold, mildew, stale air, and smoke. If your car's air vents have persistent odors and you want a deep clean that addresses the source, this is the solution for a fresher driving experience. What people say. It is a great product that works well. This product is very effective and easy to use. Number 3. Lisol Complete Air Vent Filters Kit. Introducing the Lisol Complete Air Vent Filters Kit, designed to significantly reduce dust and unwanted particles in your home. Keep your living space cleaner and healthier with our advanced filtration. Get incredible value with our comprehensive kit, providing enough media to cover over 36 standard vents. It's an economical solution for maintaining clean air throughout your house. Our flexible DIY design ensures a perfect fit for any air vent, register, or grill. Easily cut the media to size, making it ideal for standard and non-standard vents alike. Installation is a breeze with the included adhesive strip. Simply stick and attach. Changing filters is quick and easy, without the need to remove your air vents, and it won't restrict airflow. Lisol Filters is dedicated to offering high-quality products at low costs. We are committed to saving you time and money while ensuring your satisfaction. If you have any questions or suggestions, please reach out to us. We're here to help and eager to hear your advice. What we like? Featuring electrostatic non-woven polyester fabric, this filter captures small particles and reduces dust in your home. Its flexible, cut-to-fit design works with any vent size, and one roll provides over 36 filters. If you want an economical and customizable way to improve your home's air quality by filtering intake registers and grills, this is an excellent DIY option. What people say. It is a great product that works well. This product is very effective and easy to use. Number 2. Dust Control Vent Filters, 48 pack. Tired of dust, dirt, and allergens in your home? Introducing our vent filters, designed to trap unwanted particles and provide you with fresher, cleaner air every day. These filters effectively reduce dust throughout your entire house. Use them as AC vent filters in the summer and heating vent filters in the winter for year-round protection. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the filter into the bottom of your register. You'll feel the difference it makes in your home or office air quality in no time. Save on costly air duct cleaning services. These filters work hard to remove unwanted particles, ensuring you breathe better air. Enjoy fresh, filtered air in every room, including bathrooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and family rooms. They are perfect for trapping dirt, dust, smoke, and pollen. Experience a noticeable improvement in your home's air quality. Breathe cleaner air daily and feel better with these essential home vent filters. What we like. These filters are designed to trap a wide range of airborne particles including dust, smoke, and pollen, providing fresher air throughout your home. With a pack of 48, you get excellent value for ongoing air quality improvement. If you're looking to significantly reduce household dust and allergens and want a simple, effective way to maintain cleaner air in bathrooms, bedrooms, or kitchens, these are a must-have. What people say. The spray nozzle is designed to reach deep into the vents. It effectively removes dust and grime from air conditioning vents. The product leaves a fresh scent after use. Number 1. Vanitek 26-inch Multi-Use Dryer Vent Cleaner Brush. Introducing our multi-use cleaning brush, designed to tackle dust and lint in your most energy-consuming appliances. Its strong bristles effectively grab debris, helping to prevent fire risks. With a length of 26 inches and a flexible steel wire shaft, this tool reaches deep into narrow slots and tight spaces. Its durable nylon bristles and bendable design allow it to conform to your cleaning needs. Crafted with reinforced nylon bristles on a galvanized steel wire shaft, it's built to last. The non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and prevents scratches while cleaning. By reducing clothes drying time and improving refrigerator coil efficiency, this cleaner helps make your appliances more energy efficient. This means lower energy bills for you. Perfect for cleaning lint, dust, and pet fur from dryer vents, filters, and AC vents. It's also ideal for refrigerator condenser coils, radiators, and other hard-to-reach areas. Easily remove stubborn lint and debris from your dryer's lint trap and exhaust vents. Keep your dryer running efficiently and safely with this essential cleaning tool. What we like. This long, flexible brush is perfect for reaching deep into dryer vents and refrigerator coils. Its strong bristles effectively grab lint, dust, and dirt, helping to prevent fire risks and improve appliance efficiency. If you need to clean out those hard-to-reach places in your dryer, refrigerator, or even radiators, this tool will save you money and enhance safety. What people say. It is a great product that works well. The product is easy to use and effective. I love this product, it cleans my vents perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.